southeastern Virginia. The northwestern city of Virginia Beach in southeastern Virginia. The northwestern city of Chesapeake in southeastern Virginia until 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 3:31 p.m. Eastern Standard Time,
shelter.
Doppler radar indicated a tornado.
We're in shelter, right?
This dangerous storm was located near Bowers Hill or near Deep Creek and moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. This dangerous storm will be near Deep Creek, Chesapeake, Bowers Hill, and Western Branch around 3:40 p.m. Churchland, downtown Portsmouth, and Craddock around 3:45 p.m. Old Dominion University, downtown Norfolk, Norfolk State University, Portsmouth, Denton, Northview around 3:50 p.m. Ocean View, Virginia Wesleyan College, Norfolk, Norfolk NAS, and Norfolk International ARPT around 3:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by the tornadic thunderstorm include South Norfolk, Huntersville, Deans, Willoughby Spit, Portlock, Bayside, and Ward's Corner. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are in a mobile home or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National